Well, if you like today, Steve Anderson says more of it's going to be on the way tomorrow. Is that right, Steve?
Yeah, it looks like we're going to be in for another day tomorrow, about 95 degrees or so, and weather patterns are beginning to change. No more of the 105-degree temperatures, at least for the next week or so, as we head for a week of the 90s. Take a look right now at across the 6 counties. It was a nice day all over. 89 degrees today in Mariposa. Merced hit 86. Los Banos 88. Madera hit a nice temperature 92. It's nicer than usual. Last year in Fresno, the temperature was 76. Normally, it should be about 91. We were at 95 today in Fresno. Hanford had 90, Visalia 90, and Tulare 92. Right now, it's 75 degrees, 43% humidity. Winds are westerly at 6, and the barometric pressure is dropping right now from 29.98, and the smog was moderate today. The pollen count, total grains 120, the dominant source Bermuda grass. And we should see the mold index, which will tell us the low. Take a look now across California. 89 in Sacramento, as we said. Weather patterns are changing. Low pressure bringing in cooler air through the valley. It was cool also on the coast. 71 in San Francisco, 69 in Monterey. Santa Maria had 79, Los Angeles 91. San Diego reported 90 today. Palm Springs 101. Bakersfield had the same temperature reading as Fresno with that 95-degree reading. Satellite view, we said weather patterns were changing. The time this picture was taken, though, was in the morning, and it was pretty hard to see it. Off the coast of California, there were some upper-level clouds. There is a low-pressure system developing there, and that's why we expect things to be nicer for at least the next part of the week anyway. And around the nation today, we see that temperatures, again, were mostly in the 70s. 72 in Seattle, 72 in Denver across the north, 95 today in Phoenix. And it was 86 in Dallas. Out to the east, Chicago reported 80 degrees today. It was 78 in New York. Atlanta had a nice 68-degree reading. And in Miami, it was 88 today. Now we take a look at the California forecast. San Francisco will be fair tomorrow and have a temperature reading of about 68 degrees. LA will be fair and about 88 tomorrow. Still quite warm down there. Still some problems with the smoke. Maybe this changing weather pattern will bring some new weather for them. Sierra's fair and 80. And the desert should be fair and about 103 tomorrow. The forecast for Fresno is generally warm. Like I said, should be tomorrow like it was today, 95 degrees, a low of 62. Sunrise at 6:43, and again you saw the sunset. The extended outlook will be 90s, gradual cooling at least through Sunday, down to 93 possible, and that's very close to the normal. And otherwise warm and sunny for the most part. The agricultural outlook, low should be in the 60s. Winds will be variable. They should be quite light, though. Tomorrow, by the way, is a no-burn day, and raisin drying should be rapid again tomorrow. And it's going to be nice to see some temperatures hitting normal again anyway. 91, as we said, was normal. 93 by Sunday. That's about the closest we can come up with.
Gosh, it still sounds warm, though, to me.
Hope it drops.
Well, here's a story tonight.